Fresh new skirting boards that have just been fitted can really alter the look and feel of a room. But wait, are those gaps that you can see between the top of the skirting and the wall? Well, in today's video, we aim to help you fix that problem. If you are ready to start caulking, all you need is the following: a decorator's caulk and a caulk gun, also known as a sealant gun, silicone gun, and so on. Once you have these, you're ready to start filling in those gaps. Now we'll get into the guide and show you how to apply caulk to your skirting boards. Before applying any caulk, you're going to need to make sure the area is clean. This is easy enough to do if you fitted new skirting boards. Just use a microfiber cloth to rub the area where the top of the skirting meets the wall. If you're filling in gaps between the wall and existing skirting boards, use a damp cloth to clean the area. Make sure it is fully dry before attempting to apply the caulk. Using a caulk gun and the decorator's caulk, apply a line of caulk along the area you want to fill in this case a small gap between the wall and the top of the skirting. Ensure you don't put too much in, you can always add some more later. Wet the end of your finger and simply run it across the line of caulk. The wet finger stops the caulk from sticking to you, and this process ensures the caulk fills the gap and the finish is smooth and flat. Once you're happy and filled in all of the gaps, leave the caulk to cure. Some manufacturers claim that their caulk is fast drying, however, we always recommend leaving it 24 hours just to make sure it dries thoroughly and properly. Now that you've given the caulk time to settle, you might find it has sunken into the gaps in some places, especially the wider gaps. If this is the case, simply apply another line of caulk and repeat steps 3 and 4. The final step is to paint the caulk in order to make sure it blends in. You can either paint it the same colour as the skirting board or the same colour as the walls. If you paint it the same colour as the skirting boards, depending on the size of the gaps, it will make the skirting appear slightly thicker. If you paint it the same colour as the walls, generally it will hide the caulk. Now that you've listened and seen the video guide, you're ready to start caulking. Here's a few more quick and handy tips to aid you in your caulking experience. Faster is better. When you are applying a line of caulk, speed is the key for a cleaner finish. You'll find that the slower you go, the messier it gets. In our experience, acrylic caulk is the best option. Any gap over approximately 5mm should be filled properly before caulking. Wipe away any excess caulk before it has time to dry for a professional finish. Thinner layers will dry quicker and will leave a more consistent finish. This concludes our video. Hopefully you found it useful and insightful, and until next time, we will see you in our next video.